Learn the present continuous.
The present continuous describes the moment. What are you doing? I am listening to music. I'm studying English too. Use be plus verb with ing. Nicholas, what is Nicholas doing?
What is he doing?
He is reading a book. He's reading an English book. Use be plus verb with ing. Sylvia, what is Sylvia doing?
What is she doing?
She is watching a video. She's watching a YouTube video. Use be plus verb with ing. Jennifer and Liam. What are Jennifer and Liam doing?
What are they doing?
They are dancing. They're dancing together. Use be plus verb with ing.
One person is taking a walk. Who is taking a walk? Alicia is taking a walk. 2 minutes later, Alicia is not taking a walk now. What is she doing? She is running.
Work.
2 people are going to work. One is driving and one is riding a motorcycle. Who is driving? Alejandro is driving. Who is riding a motorcycle? Mateo is riding a motorcycle. 2 people are riding horses. Who is riding horses? Mr. and Mrs. Brown are riding horses.
Sylvia, what is Sylvia doing? She is shopping. What is she shopping for? She is shopping for pizza ingredients. 1 hour later, Sylvia's mother. Sylvia's mother. What is her mother doing? She is cooking. What is she making? She's making pizza. John and Sylvia, what are they doing? They are swimming. Where are they swimming? They're swimming in a pool.